Okay, lastly, number 12, we're going to find the equation of a line perpendicular to the line 3x minus 2y equals 4, containing the point negative 2, 1. Now this is going to be similar to number 10 in that our equation here is written in standard form or general form, and we're going to have to fix that in a little bit. First of all, we notice that we are dealing with a line perpendicular, right? So I'm going to underline that, and I'm going to remind myself that the slopes of perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals. And so when I come over to our equation, 3x minus 2y equals 4, we're going to put that into slope-intercept form so we can identify the slope really easily. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. If I do that, that gives me negative 2y equals, and then negative 3x plus 4. Then I'm going to divide everything by negative 2. And then I'm going to clean this up. So negative over negative is a positive, and it goes away. And a plus 4 over negative 2 would be simply minus 2, right? And so I noticed that the slope here of this line is 3/2, but I'm not going to use 3/2. I'm going to use the opposite reciprocal of 3/2. That is positive. I want the opposite of positive, which is negative. And I want the reciprocal of 3 over 2, and that would give me 2 over 3. All right, so we're going to use m equaling negative 2 over 3. So come over to this point way over to the right. I'm going to label it with an x and a y. Write down my generic equation. And just plug away. So the value of y is 1. The value of m is negative 2/3. Value of x is negative 2. And we're looking for b once more. Okay, so I'm going to put a 1 under this negative 2, and I'm going to work out that product. So 1 equals a negative times a negative is a positive, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3, plus b. And again, I need common denominators. The denominator would be 3, right, thirds, so I'm going to multiply that 1 by 3 over 3. And when I do that, I simply get 3 over 3. Now I'm going to subtract 4/3 from both sides. So 3 minus 4, right? 3/3 minus 4/3. That's going to give us negative 1/3. And that's going to give us b. So our last step is to get our equation, which is y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1/3. All right, and that is the equation of a line perpendicular to 3x minus 2y equals 4. All right, good luck with your homework.